Should you keep your money in a CD or a savings account? If you're like me, when you first started saving, you probably stored your money in a savings account. Once you've been saving for a while though, another option opens up, a certificate of deposit. A CD gives you a much better interest rate than a savings account, but your money will be locked up while it's in the CD. So what are the benefits of keeping your money in a CD versus a savings account? Let's start by discussing the benefits of keeping your money in a savings account. There's not a big minimum deposit requirement for a savings account. At First Alliance Credit Union, for instance, you only need $5. A savings account is also versatile. You can deposit money in it at any time and withdraw it at any time. Most importantly, the money you put in a savings account is available when you need it. Now, here are some benefits of storing your money in a CD. With a certificate of deposit, you will get a higher interest rate, and that interest rate is usually more stable than savings accounts. Once you open a CD, the interest rate you get is locked in for the entire term of the CD, and that means you'll know how much money you get when the CD matures. A CD also removes any temptation to spend money. If you're trying to save, you know how hard it can be to resist the temptation to spend some of the money you've stored away. As you can see, savings accounts and CDs have different advantages. Which one you choose will depend on why you're saving money. First and foremost, you should use a savings account when you're building up an emergency fund, so you can access that money if an unexpected cost arises. You should also use a savings account when you're saving for multiple goals at the same time. This way, you can put money in for both goals. You also won't have to keep track of multiple CD maturity dates. You'll also be able to use the money you're saving to potentially reach your more important goals faster. If you're saving for a specific financial goal, you might want to put your money in a certificate of deposit to take advantage of that steady interest rate. This will also help you plan how much money you'll have to put towards your goal when the CD matures. However, you could also choose to use both types of accounts to store your money. For instance, you could use a CD to store part of your emergency fund while keeping the rest available to deal with emergencies. You can also use a CD to store money for one of your goals that's further in the future, while using a savings account to save money for a smaller financial goal. If you'd like to experience the benefits of both a CD and a savings account, you can talk with a member advisor today. They'll help you answer any questions you might have. Contact First Alliance Credit Union today by visiting firstalliancecu.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.